Before transitions, I said, I'm so tired of my hair being awful. I need to fix this. It was really sad.
Transitions' new 5-step PRP program can help restore your thinning hair. When Transitions FDA-approved laser treatments are combined with PRP, the results are amazing.
Transitions laser treatments grew my hair back. It's so nice to feel, like me.
No guy has on his list to have a transplant procedure, but if hair loss bothers you, why not fix it?
It was thinning out so bad you could really see the scalp. I love my hair. It's very life-changing.
It makes you look older, and I don't want that. Go to Transitions.
We can't just fix it. It's amazing at how much growth I have.
Call right now for a free PRP evaluation and receive 5 laser treatments free. Go to transitionsindy.com or call 317-522-2991.
Thank you, Transitions, for helping me grow my hair back.